How to add Leap card to Apple Wallet. Adding a transit card to Apple Wallet allows you to use your iPhone or Apple Watch to easily pay for rides on public transportation systems. The process is straightforward. Open the wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select transit card from the list of options, or tap continue to proceed to add a new card. Choose your transit card from the list of available transit systems, or search for it if necessary. If you are adding a new transit card, follow the prompts to verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode if required. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup, which might include adding money to your transit card if necessary. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.